Give me your email addresses for Gmail. Copy. Where is it? I just sent the invite. Go away, doggy. Hi, Kelvin.
Hi, Susan.
How are you?
Oh, pretty good.
Good.
How are you?
I am good. Brianna needs to install something, so she's delayed. Have you taken a look at the case yet?
I have not. I just barely finished the homework assignment. So,
I opened it. I just hadn't taken a look at it.
yeah. discussion group. Interest MPP or payback calculation.
It doesn't look like it's too different than what we've just done for the assignment. It's just you're comparing two models.
Yep. Mr. Where did you see that?
So.
That looks pretty easy.
That was a ping. Okay, so she just let us know that she wants us to get started. She's having to get permission and passwords and all that.
Okay.
Right. What am I trying to say? Let me just share my screen for a minute, if I remember how to do that. Okay, that went weird. Are you seeing like eternal images of myself or yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to stop that for a minute. Try this again.
Let's see here.
What's it look like for you? Weird. Is it eternal?
Are you trying to screen share or something?
Yep.
Yeah, that's strange.
It's weird. When we stop talking, it does that. But when we're
yeah, talking, it seems to happen.
Yeah. Okay. So can you see this? Can you see the Excel spreadsheet I just put up?
Yeah, it looks right.
And it looks right. It's not forever.
Nope. Yep. Looking
okay.
right.
So I was thinking what we could do is use this.
Mm-hmm.
But just compare the two different models that they're considering.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'd say just basically copy that Excel model into two Or just copy it and paste it into the same sheet.
Right. And do like model 1.
Yep.
Or model 100 and then model 200 are the names.
Yep.
So we've got a 15% rate, required rate of return.
Yep.
Company's tax rate is $35,000. Depreciable assets. Have you seen that anywhere yet?
No, I was reading through it and I did not see that. Let's see. It's probably the 13,000 and the 22,000 is my guess.
I'm guessing that that's what it is as well.
Yep.
All right, so this is group 8 case. What's this called?
This is case, capital budgeting case, Barbecue City.
Capital budgeting. I don't know if I spelled capital right. Budgeting case, Barbecue City. Group 8. I'm going to get rid of that. And then cost of investment, we can go model 100 on this side.
The sheet and make a new sheet.
Yeah, I was considering putting them on the same, but I think you're right.
I think it'll set best that way.
Model 200. And then if we go copy, paste, and change this to 200.
I like it.
The assets for this one is 22,000. For model 100, it is 13,000.
13.
Cost of non-depreciable assets, is that just 0?
Let me read through. Barbecues, non-depreciable assets. Yeah, I'm gonna say probably 0.
And I just took the numbers for the increased sales because they would be here.
Say that again.
So the increased sales, expected increase in sales, we would put that in earnings before deduction tax, right?
Yep. That's where it go. Yep.
So I think Brianna is messaging me. Okay. She said she's still trying to get permissions and passwords on a computer that doesn't belong to her.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I know how that goes. I had to do this. Last year. I went to Hawaii during the middle of the school year. Do some sort of group project, and it took forever to figure out how to get a hold of a computer.
32, 19, 20, 11, 50, 11, 15, 580. Okay, so it looks like the maker's depreciation schedule is the same. So it says the investments are mutually exclusive. In other words, the company must choose only one. Which model should the company invest in? Set up the appropriate cash flows for each model. Calculate payback, IRR, and NPV for each model. So I've got the IRR and the NPV. We don't have the payback, do we?
No, that's the only one I think that we don't have.
Okay. Is there anything else we're missing up here?
Let me see. Basically, I think all we need to mostly pay attention to is that last paragraph.
And we don't need to add this 100,000 to this 10,000, do we?
100,000. No, I don't think so. Their business currently generates 100,000 a year in sales. Well, that would be the increase in sales. Maybe we do need to. It's a good question. Currently generates 100,000 sales. That would be the increase in sales. Yeah, we might need to add 100,000. I think you might be right there.
Or wait a minute. So when we're figuring this up, aren't we just supposed to be considering the increase? Let me look at my capital budgeting. Are you going to open? Maybe.
Well, it shouldn't really matter actually, because I mean, whether you add 100,000 or you subtract 100,000, we're just looking at the
increase in sales.
Yeah, the increase in sales. So I'd say leave it out. It might even be more clear. Which model? Payback IRR.
441. 13. My computer decided to restart while I was working on it.
Yeah.
Oh, good. I didn't lose everything. So cash that flows to company only because of the investment. In addition to company's already existing cash flow, it excludes any cash already flowing before investment. Could come because of increase in sales, or could come from decrease in expenses. So yeah, we're supposed to just focus on the new numbers.
Okay.
All right, so now I need to remember how to do PV, not PV, whatever. What's the word? Payback?
Yeah, the payback.
And do you remember what?
Yeah, I'm looking through my files too to see which one it is. Ratio, capital budget. Sweet ratio.
That one. Okay, I'm going to send her the invite again.
Hey there. Okay.
There we go.
Oh, we made a model for it.
I'm sure I did too. I just have to find out which week it was.
Yeah.
Hmm. Do you remember, do you know which week it was that we did it?
No, I can't remember. Oh,
Or
no, that's
what?
amortization.
Hmm. Not that one.
I've looked at all of them. I haven't found it. So, let's see.
No, not that one.
It was the one I emailed to myself because I did it on another computer.
FV, PV, N per, and rate. Not that one. Payment.
What do you need, Claire? I'm doing the group assessment. Thank you.
NPR. Oh, video on payback.
Yeah, I've looked at all of my models. I don't.
Okay, so how long until I get my money back? Calculate the time required to pay back the original investment from future cash flows. She says she's still not seeing it, and I've sent it twice. 3 times, actually. Are you in Gmail? I know that's likely a stupid question.
Where is this payment?
Question. But let me go to this and
What's that? No idea what part.
oh no, wait. I was probably sending, hold on. Sent. Where did that get sent to? No, it's my fault. It's to the BYU one. Forward. Ariana, SABBAVARA, PU@gmail.com. Okay, then okay, so I was just looking at payback. Cash flows, year 1, year 2, year 3. Oh, that's easy. So payback is figured.
Oh yeah, it's the one we didn't even make a model for. It was just so simple. It was like you just did it on the little homework assignment. It was like how many years it took to pay you back.
Right. So 22,000 would be between year 1 and year 2.
Yeah.
And then for model 100, It's also between year 1 and year 2.
Yeah, but how quick is it?
And really, is it based on, it's based on this number down here, isn't it? Whoops.
Yeah, it should be, I think.
Gotta find her. Where is it? There it is. How do I answer? Okay, I'm gonna stop screen sharing for a minute.
Sure.
That was weird.
Did she try and join or something?
Yeah. Okay, let me do it this way. Liana, yes. She should be able to just pop up like you did.
Yeah, she should be able to just hit join.
A-R-E-P-U@gmail.
Did you find him, Claire? All right.
REANASABBAVARA-PU. Oh, it didn't save it. REANASABBAVARA-PU@gmail.com. There we go. Invite. I just sent the invite again. You should just be able to click on it and show up on our screen. Okay, so now I never quite understood how to determine if it was 1.5 years or 2 years for payback. Or do you know what I mean?
Yeah, well, it was super easy on the homework assignment because it was real round, easy numbers. If you could share the thing again, I can't see it anymore.
Okay. She just said, I'm still not getting it. Maybe you could leave some for me to do or something. I'm so sorry. Should we just have her handle the payback?
Yeah, we can do that.
How do you feel about handling the payback portion of this? We've done everything else. Not that there's a whole lot to this assignment.
Sorry, we're gonna have to say that again. My speakers, my mic for the stupid laptop, and it turned off, so I didn't hear what you just said.
You didn't hear what I just said? Did you just say you didn't hear what I just said?
What you said?
I'm sorry. What did you say?
Can you hear me?
I think I can hear you now. Yes.
Okay. All right.
So can you see my screen now?
Yep, I see it.
Okay, so payback should be based on this down here, right? What's left over from depreciation and taxes taken out.
Yep, should be what you have kind of left over there. So, yeah, that's what it should be. Yeah.
I'm opening up a different. Here's the payback practice. We did kind of create models.
Oh, yeah.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
That is payback. Is payback with only depreciation taken out, or is it with taxes taken out as well?
I would say it's whatever's at the end, whatever you actually take home.
Right, but our cost of investment, the cash flows resulting from investment,
Yeah.
with taxes taken out. I mean, yeah, taxes taken out, but depreciation. Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. At the end, depreciation won't be taken out.
Right. So this number would be with taxes minus.
Mm-hmm.
So that means depreciation is actually going to be further on. I mean, not depreciation. The payback will be further on.
Mm-hmm.
So
I think, yeah, I would assume depreciation needs to be, included there. Basically, just taking taxes out.
So how do you feel about how this looks?
I like it. I think it looks good. Basically, all it needs finished is the payback calculation and like the description of which one
to go with.
Yeah.
Right.
And it looks like I would say go with probably model 200.
Yeah, I would agree with you. But I guess it depends.
It might not have quite a quick
We're not making
payback, but
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
It might not have, I don't know exactly what the payback is. It looks like it's pretty close on both of them. The Model 100 might be a little faster, but everything else on Model 200 is better. You have a better value in it. Your rate of return's higher. If you read through the scenario, it says that it has a higher capacity, so it can do more work than Model 100. So I'd say Model 200 is the one to go with.
Okay, so for your reference marker. Okay, so our group feels that Model 200 is the best choice for investment. The IRR is 9% higher with Model 2, and the NPV is, what's the difference between 42 and 18? Let's see, 10 would be 32, and then 8 off of that would be 24,000. NPV is 24,000 higher using Model 2. We need to have text. Maybe make it a little bigger. Payback is and we don't know. We'll have her finish that off.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, I mean, from what the question is on the work itself, it looks like we've answered it. All except for the payback.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to email her the Excel doc.
Mm-hmm.
And then have her, she's offered to submit it.
Okay.
And so I think I think that'll just be the best way to do it.
I agree.
Okay, well, Calvin, thanks.
Thank you.
Appreciate your help.
No problem. Thank you for sending the links out and all that.
Sure thing.
All right.
We'll talk to you at the next round.
Yep. If you need anything, just give me a shout. I'll hop back on and do something if it's needed. So.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. Thanks.
Bye.